In today's busy world, where there's always something vying for our attention, Stoicism stands out as a simple yet powerful philosophy. Rooted in the wisdom of ancient thinkers, Stoicism provides us with practical tools and timeless insights that are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. It's like having a trusted friend whispering words of wisdom in our ear, reminding us of what truly matters and guiding us towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life. As we embark on this journey through Stoic philosophy, we'll explore 6 fundamental lessons that serve as pillars of strength and sources of wisdom. These lessons aren't just abstract ideas, they're practical principles that we can apply to our daily lives, helping us navigate challenges, cultivate resilience, and find inner peace amidst the chaos of the modern world. So, let's dive in and discover the timeless wisdom of Stoicism together. 1. Silence as strength. The ancient Stoics understood the power of discretion and the wisdom of silence. They recognized that not everything we think or experience needs to be shared with the world. As the Stoic philosopher Epicurus aptly stated, there is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. With this wisdom in mind, let us delve into the first lesson that Stoicism teaches us: the importance of refraining from speaking ill of ourselves. 2. Don't speak ill of yourself. Central to Stoicism is the principle of inner strength and resilience, which prohibits speaking negatively about oneself. Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, advised, "Don't be overheard complaining, not even to yourself." Negative self-talk undermines our self-esteem and hinders personal growth. By adopting a positive and growth-oriented mindset, we bolster our self-confidence, aligning with the core tenets of Stoicism. 3. Humility and self-improvement. Stoic philosopher Epicurus emphasizes the virtue of humility and self-improvement. Rather than boasting about our progress, Stoicism teaches us to let our actions speak louder than words. True growth is demonstrated through tangible changes in behavior, character, and mindset. By embracing self-improvement as a silent and steadfast pursuit, we inspire others through our results, rather than empty words. 4. Practicing moderation. Prominent Stoic philosopher Musonius stresses the importance of moderation in all aspects of life, particularly in eating and drinking habits. Stoicism teaches us that overindulgence leads to adverse consequences, while extreme restraint can be equally detrimental. Finding a middle path of moderation fosters discipline and self-control, essential for achieving success and maintaining harmony in life. 5. The art of listening. Zeno, the father of Stoicism, imparted timeless wisdom on the importance of listening. In a world inundated with noise, active and attentive listening fosters meaningful connections and promotes trust. By valuing the thoughts and experiences of others, we strengthen relationships and gain new perspectives, embodying the Stoic principle of self-improvement through mindful interaction. 6. Letting go of future worries. Stoic philosophy reminds us to focus on the present moment and accept the limits of our control. By relinquishing our preoccupation with the future and choosing our reactions to life's uncertainties, we cultivate inner peace and resilience. Letting go of excessive concerns about the future leads to greater happiness and a more tranquil state of mind, echoing the wisdom of Stoic thinkers like Epicurus. Stoicism isn't merely a philosophy confined to dusty tomes of antiquity. It's a living, breathing ethos that offers us solace and guidance in the tumult of modern life. Throughout our exploration, we've encountered the profound simplicity of Stoic principles, each one offering a beacon of guidance amidst the tumultuous seas of modern existence. From the power of selective silence to the virtue of moderation, from the importance of humility and self-improvement to the art of listening, Stoicism provides us with a rich tapestry of insights to weave into the fabric of our lives. Leave a thumbs up to help us reach more people in search of ancient wisdom. If you are new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lessons on ancient wisdom. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video. To watch more Stoic wisdom videos, select one of the videos that will appear on your screen. Now stay stoic.